It's nearly midnight, and as is our tradition, we each share our favorite thing we did this year.
Like when I became Mighty Zeke.
And when I found Super's glasses in the puzzle box.
When we had Backwards Day and had pancakes for dinner.
When we built a rocket ship to the moon. And did you not know my favorite thing was staying up and waiting for the big old acorn drop?
And this is it, the moment you've all been waiting for. It's time for the countdown.
I got this, Super. 10, 9,
6, 5, 4,
3, 2, 1. Me did it! Me counted down!
Best part of this year was having you three squishes in my life.
Oh, Mickey!
Thanks for celebrating New Year's with us.
We had such a great time with you.
Till next time we can play, have a Mickey-rific day.